Hello friends, so welcome to this lecture on demo for creating Azure Key Vault and secrets within that so that it can be consumed by some application. We'll see by creating secrets within that. So let's try to create one key vault and then we'll create secrets within that. So we'll click on add so that we can add a new key vault. So we'll select the existing resource group and we'll provide a name to the key vault SA hyphen. Let's say we'll provide the name key vault. And then the location will use East US because for most of the resources I've used the same location. So you can use the pricing about the standard and the uh, you know premium tier we have. So if you'll click on this, you can get more information about the standard and premium tier. So in the free tier, I'll be using standard tier only. So next is and make sure that okay, whenever you create a key vault and you want to access your key vault or by the application, make sure that okay, with it is within the same region. Now click on access policy and here we can provide access to the uh, for volume encryption to your VM, right? And to Azure virtual machine for any kind of deployment. So here the access we can provide. And here we can provide access to the various key permissions we have. So let's say I'll provide all key permissions as of now. And to secrets also, I'll select the permission for purge as well. Okay, so this is the permission we are providing it to this particular user with the logged into the Azure portal. So click on networking and generally within your when you do it for the production environment, make sure that okay you don't select all networks because this is again a one step with the help of which we'll be able to perform the best practice. So as for the best practice, you should not allow all public endpoints. So you can should only allow the selected endpoints only. And next we'll click on review and create. So it will take some time, generally it takes 5 to 10 minutes to create. And once it's created, we'll come back. For the time being, I'm going to pause the video. So once it is done, I'll come back. So now our key vault deployment is complete. So we'll click on home and then we'll see our key vault which we have created SA-KV is created. So let's say if we'll click on key vault, we can create the keys, secret and certificate. So in this particular demo, we'll create the secret which will basically can be used by your application. So the before that couple of things that I want to show you that okay, if you'll click on overview, this is the name we have SA hyphen KV for the key vault, and this particular you can use it by the as a URI can be used by the application managers, or you can give it to your you can say a vault URI basically. And applications they can use this particular URI through their REST APIs. And apart from this, in this will be creating secrets. You can also create certificates within that, generate certificate, right? Or import. So let's say if I'll click on create certificate, I need to provide all those details like encryption and everything. All those things I'll provide and I'll be able to create a certificates like self-signed certificate if I look to create certificate name, right? And then validity, content type, all these information I need to provide and I'll be able to create certificate. So let me go to secrets and let's say we'll generate one secret. We can also import. So we'll use the option manual and we can think that okay, the name will provide which will can be, let's say if this is the password which could be used by any of your application, or and the name we can give is secret password. Okay, and the value we can give is QWERTY. Okay, and content type I'll leave blank. All these fields I'll be leaving blank as of now. So you can set the activation date as well as expiration date. So if I'll click on create, so this has been created. So the other options you can see it from here is when you select this particular secret password, and if you'll click on this current version, you will be able to see different options we have. So you can see this is the secret identifier we have and used by the application for retrieving. And then if you'll show on the secret value, you'll get the value which we have created, or secret password, the name which we have given, which will be retrieved by the application to which you'll give the details. So you can see this is the secret value we provided. So this is it, friends, in this lecture, and in the subsequent lectures you'll also see how we can provide the key value within the key vault, and it will be used by your virtual machines to encrypt your volumes and hard disks. So we'll see in the upcoming lecture. We have already covered that, okay, how we can create a key vault, and then we can create certificates and secrets within the key vault. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this lecture. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.